Hi there, welcome to CSEMA. In this video, we are going to hide the computer drives by using the two techniques. First one is by using the disk management technique, and second one is by using the group policy method. So let's start with the first options. In our computer, there are three drives. First one is C, D and E. We are going to hide drive E by using the disk management. So just minimize it and go to here and type. Click here and type disk management. Okay, and hit enter or just click here. When you click here, we got this disk management window. Okay, and we are about to hide the drive E. So just come here and right click on the drive E and click on the fourth option, that is the change drive letter and the path. So click on it, and when we open this window, just click on the remove button. Remove, and it's asked for the some program that rely on the drive that might not run correctly. So don't worry about that. Just click on the yes and close it. Now again open this PC to check whether the drive is hide or not. So here drive is already hide, and that's quite cool method to hide the drives. And when we about to unhide, then we have to follow the same things. So just go to here and the type disk management and open this, and just again go to we have the window like the disk management window, and here this is the place where the drive E is like. So right click on it and again click on the same option, change drive letter. So here we have this window and just click on add to add the drive letters. So we already have the drive E, so here is the E. So click on OK. Then drive E is added. Now again open this PC to check. Here the local drive E is unhidden. So this is the first method to hide and unhide the drive into the Windows PC. And the second method is the group policy. So just go to the here again, type the group policy. Okay, group policy, and click these options. Okay, then we have the group policy for the local group policy editor, or we can also have this window by using the run. Just press the Windows key plus R and type GP, stands for group policy, and edit. Okay, extension name is .msc and hit enter. Then we have the group policy method as same window that we just opened, and on the user configurations click on the last option, that is the administrative templates. Okay, or click here to expand it. So both options are same, and then we have to go to the Windows component. Windows component, that's the point. We have to click on the Windows component, and into the Windows component we have to find the file explorer. So we have the file explorer here, and just click on it or the double click on it, and we have a lot of options. In these options we have to find the hide these specific drives. So click H to find easily. Click on the any options and click on H. So we have this here, hide this specific drive into my computer. So double click on it to open it. Okay, then we have this window. Okay, so we have three options. First one is not configured, then second is the enable, and third one is disable. So by doing anything, first check the drives that we have. So we have three drives here, C, D and E, and second time we are going to hide the drive E, local drive E. So just minimize it and click on enable. When we click enable, then we highlight these options, then click here and choose the any options that we want to hide, that is any drive letters here. So we are going to hide the drive D. So select the restricted D drive only. Okay, then click on apply, then okay, and just close it. again come to the my computer and click on refresh. Then here the drive D is hide. So when we have to unhide these drives to get back the local drive E, we have to go to the follow the same approach. So just come here and type the group policy, okay, and hit enter. Then we have the same windows. Then click on the administrative templates, then the Windows component, then the file explorer, okay. Then here we have to find the hide, so click H. There we have the hide this specific drive into my computer, so double click on it. Then we have this window, hide this specific drive in my computer, so we have to disable or not configure. We have to click on the not configured or disable. So we have to click here not configure and click on apply and okay, and again open this PC, and then we have local drive D. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to CSEMA.